Guten Tag. Welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, today's video I am going to show you, or I'm going to give you some tips on how to do laundry. And for that, let's start. And 3, 2, 1.
Vlog. Hi guys, welcome to your new vlog. Hi guys, welcome to your new vlog. Hi guys, welcome to Lionel vlog. Welcome to the Liner vlog.
Sis outfit, uy, abi na lang, di ba? First batch. O, dyan yung uniform, oh. Pa. So, basically, guys, wala mong laundry section sa mo ang tugkaran, no? Nasa sa likod sa kong kwarto. Ang saluranan na magtubig, guys. Lang, hinaya na mo. Agas na every morning. So, wala ko mga labo nun. With the Fabcon. The color safe. Wala ko lumitan actually. And I have here the concentrated laundry detergent. Pero wala pa ko na paid ano. So let's start. Next ko lang si Extreme. I have here the automatic washing machine with a 13 kilogram na na weight niya, smart size motion. So kailangan lang nako siya pag-hydrate after mahumanog laba. May yung muna siyang sudan na sabon, Fabcon, and the water will just flow depende sa imuhang ipilit na water level. So we have here the normal, the delicate, baby care, heavy, quick, eco, air dry, top 3. Pili ka sa program, guys, but for now halos ako pang pili kay mga delicate kaya panglakaw rin ako. Okay, so what are the 7 steps to doing laundry? First one is separate clothes to you need to wash into categories. Mga delicate pa siya, kung heavy ba siya, kung patina ba siya, panglakaw ba siya, or pangbalay. So kanita na pangbalay na siya, kaya panglakaw di ay pinabaliktad na po siya dahil pinikload na sa mga lubad ha. Ang dry fit na po na pang bike. Choco lang siya. Akong uniform. Usually ginabaliktad na ko siya kay halo ko sa fabric madapot. Last car. Airfield. We got DNG. My Nike na sweeper. Nalipay ko pangbalay pero usually ito siya ginagamit. So, this is it. Fancy. Popcorn ko. Aron mo sumugod siya. Okay. So, step 2, select water temperature. Actually, temperature same lang man. So, I have here the water level. Step 3, select load size. So, we have here the light and the flash. So, in water level, kanit siya nga labo nun. Siguro, just away, I think mga 2 kilos. So, dilan ko sa number 2. Number 4. And number 5, start the washer. So later, totally. And number 6, add detergent. And all of that. Number 7, add clothes to washer. And number 8, it's optional if you want to add Fabcon. Second floor, guys. Dahan before. Ayun, makunin siyang angas. And guys, we are out now. I already checked everything. Wala naman siyang stain. So thank you. One, three.
Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life.
Hi guys, welcome again to our activity, which is plantsa, ironing, and I'll give you some tips and advices on how to iron this kind of thing. So I choose this one, my polo. I have here the water. Cloth is made of nylon, so most likely temperature ano lang, 1. I am using this one kaya wala akong kabayo. So nag-on na itong plantsa. First thing to do is pop the collar and press the iron from one spot at the underside to the next. Then flip over and repeat on the outside of the collar. So this is a collar. siya off nato. The next is the front. Automatic siya mag-off kung init pa kaayo. And I hope naghalbog na katunan sa kuang tips on how to do the pamalansya, most especially sa tuang mga gimikanas, sa mga helpers, o guban pa to the person who doesn't know how to make some iron technique. Be resourceful, even though wala ko tong kabayo. So I use this platform na enough food siya para makaplansya siya. And that's it. Mao lang to. And do some research po kung unsa na mga fabric ang need o taas na temperature o gamay nga temperature para at least maiwasan na to ang mga untoward incidents, no, na dili nato gusto masunog ang atong mga sanina. So that's all for today, and hope you like my video. Please subscribe my vlog because I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel, Lionel Vlog, and see you then. Thank you.